guys, what's up? I'm Brian here doing another quick video for you guys, and this time I'm taking a look at the revealed Misfire and Slugslinger. Now I know these have been revealed about like a couple of days ago or something like that, but I didn't really want to talk about it, but then suddenly I just felt like, you know what, I'm going to talk about it. And basically I'm going to give my quick thoughts on these two figures. First up we got Misfire, which looks pretty cool in its bubblegum color scheme, I gotta say. Just something very nice about that, something charming about that. I really like it, and it fits well with the figure. And then, as far as Slugslinger is concerned, the color scheme reminds me of the Top Spin Twin Twist, so I don't know, it just doesn't feel that out there, but it still looks good nonetheless. I like its design and overall shape. It actually reminds me of a Autobot that was seen in the original Transformers Generation 1 show, and I can't remember the name of him. I think it was like DevCon or something like that. I don't know. But anyways, I think these two look good. Now apparently these guys are remolds of Trigger Happy, but what's funny is they have different things from Trigger Happy that these two both share, so that's something different. Now, Misfire is apparently going to be a Wave 3 figure. We don't know what's going to happen with Slugslinger, if he's going to be a Wave 3 or a Wave 4 figure, but what's interesting about this is he has 3 weapons instead of the 2 that a lot of the other Titans Returns figures have. And I don't know if that's going to lead into something that the weapons are going to do for Power of the Primes. If you guys remember, Combiner Wars had the hand-feet weapons, and then for Titans Returns they had 2 weapons that combine, and you can add the Titans Returns figure in that. So I don't know if this is going to lead into something with Power of the Primes, or for Wave 4 of this year, they're going to have like 3 weapons, or they're just doing this for Slugslinger. And if you guys are curious, the Titan Master figures are going to retain the names similar to the Target Masters from Generation 1. So Misfire will have Aimless, and Slugslinger will have Caliburst. So my quick thoughts, these guys look pretty cool. I am interested. That's pretty much it. I thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and all those fun doodads, and I'll see you guys next time.